Choosing the right e-bike motor can be tricky. Low power, poor torque, overheating, and complicated installation often disappoint riders. That's why selecting a reliable motor matters. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best e-bike motors for different riding styles, from city commuting to extreme high-power builds. These motors offer strong performance, solid efficiency, and good compatibility with popular bike frames. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and market demand to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Subscribe for more smart e-mobility reviews. Number 5. ZEMAKE Brushless Gear Hub Motor. The ZEMAKE e-bike motor kit is a versatile brushless geared hub motor available in 36V and 48V options with 350-watt to 500-watt power output. Designed for both front and rear installations, it includes a complete wheel with rim for easy conversion. This motor delivers smooth acceleration, decent climbing ability, and low noise performance. It supports cassettes and common bike sizes, making it ideal for daily commuting and light off-road riding. A solid entry-level choice for budget-friendly e-bike upgrades. Number 4. Bafang BBSHD M615 Mid-Drive Motor. The Bafang BBSHD is one of the most powerful and reliable mid-drive motors on the market. Running on 48V or 52V with a massive 1,000-watt output, it delivers exceptional torque for steep hills and heavy loads. The UART system allows advanced customization, while multiple bottom bracket size options ensure wide compatibility. Known for durability and performance, this motor is perfect for riders who want serious power, long-term reliability, and professional-grade e-bike performance. Number 3. Tongsheng TSDZ8/TSDZ2B Mid-Motor. The Tongsheng TSDZ series stands out with its built-in torque sensor, offering a more natural and responsive riding experience. Available from 250-watt up to 750-watt in 36-volt and 48-volt versions, it balances efficiency and power perfectly. Paired with 13Ah or 20Ah batteries, it's ideal for long rides and daily commuting. Riders love its smooth pedal assist, compact design, and excellent energy efficiency, making it a great choice for comfort-focused e-bike builds. Number 2. Integrated Wheel Hub Motor Conversion. This integrated hub motor is designed for quick and clean e-bike conversions. Supporting 36-volt and 48-volt systems, it comes pre-installed in 20, 24, or 26-inch wheels for mountain and city bikes. The nod-rinsed toothed design improves durability and torque delivery. It offers stable performance, minimal maintenance, and easy installation without complex wiring. Ideal for riders who want a simple, reliable motor upgrade without switching to a mid-drive system. Number 1. Kunray 3000-watt high-power e-bike motor kit. The Kunray 3000-watt e-bike conversion kit is built for extreme performance enthusiasts. Powered by a 48-volt or 72-volt BLDC brushless motor, it delivers explosive acceleration and top-tier speed potential. The kit includes a high-power controller and throttle for precise control. Designed for custom builds, this motor is ideal for off-road, heavy-duty, or experimental e-bike projects. If raw power and performance matter most, this is the ultimate high-output e-bike motor. From efficient hub motors to torque-sensing mid-drives and extreme 3000W builds, these e-bike motors cover every rider's need. Whether you want comfort, power, or simplicity, there's a perfect option here. Which motor fits your ride style? Comment below and subscribe for more e-bike reviews.